Writing an Amazon listing with AI is incredibly fast now. Enter the product name, add a few keywords. 3 minutes later, you have a title and 5 bullet points. But here's the problem. Just because the copy reads well doesn't mean it can actually sell, because AI can only make good decisions based on the information and data it has access to. It doesn't know how your product truly differs from competitors or which information belongs in the title, which should be communicated through images, and which should be saved for A+ content. Many sellers simply tell AI, write me a high-converting Amazon listing, and they get back a polished, complete piece of copy. The keywords are there, the use cases are there are plenty of compelling adjectives, but look closely and you realize almost any seller could use the same copy. That's the problem. A strong listing has to accomplish 2 things at the same time. First, it needs to help Amazon understand, what are you selling? What category does it belong to? Which search intents should it match? At the same time, it needs to help shoppers understand, who is this product for? What problem does it solve? Why is it worth buying? You cannot afford to miss either side. That is why when DeepBI optimizes a listing, the first step is not generating copy. It starts with diagnosis. Once you enter an ASIN, the system automatically identifies competing products in the same category and compares their titles, bullet points, main images, detail pages, and customer reviews side by side. The goal is to first understand, where exactly is the current page falling behind? Are the keywords not precise enough? Are the selling points presented in the wrong order? Or does the title contain plenty of information while still failing to communicate the product's core value clearly? DeepBI first scores the listing, then ranks the problems by their potential impact. What should be fixed first? What can wait? And how far should each part be optimized? This step matters because sometimes the biggest problem with a listing is not the copy at all. The title may already be solid, while the real gap is the main image. Or the images may look highly professional, but the detail page fails to explain real-world use cases, leaving shoppers hesitant to buy even after they click through. Only after identifying the actual problem does copy optimization begin. DeepBI combines product information, keywords, and competitor structures to reorganize the keyword set. Which terms are core product keywords, which describe functions, which relate to materials, specifications, target users, or usage scenarios. But this is not simply a matter of finding the most frequently used terms and stuffing them repeatedly into the title. High frequency only tells you that a term is common. It does not mean the term is necessarily right for your product. You also have to consider relevance, purchase intent, and whether the product genuinely supports the claim behind that keyword. Next, DeepBI restructures the title and bullet points according to information priority. The title should first help shoppers confirm, what is this product? What is its most important function? What are the key specifications or differentiators? The bullet points then continue the story. The first bullet focuses on the primary reason to buy. The remaining bullets expand on usage scenarios, product details, how it works, and trust-building information. Instead of using all 5 bullets to repeat the same selling point in slightly different ways, and once the copy is generated, the job still isn't finished, because shoppers do not only read text. If the title says the product is waterproof, the images should prove it in a waterproof use scenario. If the bullet points say it is portable, the detail page should show its dimensions, storage method, and how it is used. Based on the diagnostic results, DeepBI can also generate optimization recommendations for the main images and detail page while previewing how the optimized listing would appear on Amazon. This allows the title, images, bullet points, and A+ content to all support the same purchase journey. Finally, the system checks product specifications, materials, certifications, and performance claims. If something is not supported by the actual product information, it should not be used simply because AI made it sound convincing. Once everything has been verified, the optimized content can also be synced to Amazon Seller Central through the Amazon's official Selling Partner API. So when it comes to using AI to write Amazon listings, the hardest part has never been generation. The hard part is identifying the right problem before generating anything. It is not about stuffing more keywords into the copy. It is about making sure every important piece of information appears exactly where it can have the greatest impact. AI can write an Amazon listing in minutes. What DeepBI is designed to do is first figure out what that listing should actually say. Let DeepBI's AI power your Amazon ads 24/7, improve conversion, reduce wasted ad spend, and grow organic sales. Send 1 ASIN for a free listing audit.